My channel MR Engineering Drawing for the Fitter 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Today we are going to draw a bench vise. It is the one of the important drawing for the fitter trade. See how to draw bench vise. Draw a square box like this. After that, join this box like a square box. After drawing the square box, draw one parallel line and same as above, draw this line like this and draw this line, little bit extension, and join this line. Okay, after that one more parallel line and join this line. After that join one more parallel line and join this one. After that join this angle to this one. Okay, after that take one more rectangle box, little bit extension like this, so this is the basic. After that join one curve line. After join one more curve line. After that take little bit extension like this and draw here one U clamp like this and one more U clamp. This is used for the fitting in the bench. And join this one, keep extension and join this one, keep extension, join this one, join this curve like this. Okay, after that this is the handle. This is a cylinder type handle. It will come like this for tightening in the bench. Okay, this is for the handle. This is called swivel lock. This is swivel lock. We are going in the basic way. After that draw somewhere here one square box. Okay, keep this parallel line to this parallel line and this parallel line and join in the middle like curve like this and join this curve to this one and join this curve to this one. Okay, and join this one. This is a HAN hardened steel jaw. This is the one part. After keep one extension line and join this line and join this line. After that take this line and join this parallel line to this one. This is the one part. Then one more, here will be extension and here will be some extension and join this line. After this one, take one rectangle box like this, so that it will come very neatly. So this jaw and this jaw should join somewhere here. Okay, after we make one more curve and one more curve to join this line. Okay, keep some extension line like this. So the jaw will come like this. This is the jaw for holding purpose. Okay, after that, here the two line is there. This two line should join here. After that, this curve will join here and one more curve will join here. Okay, it is a very simple and easy. Please try, keep on practicing, it will come very neatly, so that the bench wise will be like this. So make one curve here, one curve, and join this line. Take little bit, one more curve and one more curve. After that, draw one circle for the handle purpose. The handle which will be rotate for the rotating purpose. So the drawing will come this like this. This is a handle. So this is a bunch wise. So that if you do shading, it will come very neat and very neatly. If you like this video, please share to your friends. I can do more videos so you can draw very easily. The bench wise is the fitter, very important drawing. The shading, it will take time. If we do shading, the drawing will come very neatly. This is the fixed. This is the fixed jaw. This is the movable jaw. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching my channel.